These old bathtubs have wide surface area which provide excellent aeration for vermicomposting. I line the tub with 2 layers of non-woven fabric in order to filter excess moisture, keep the worms from escaping from the drainage hole, and it makes harvesting easier. The tub is slightly tilted toward the drain, but we don't collect the drained water because we don't want to lose microbes. But the drain helps me monitor moisture. If water is coming out, I would know to add less. For bedding, I use lots of dried leaves, small branches, and plenty of shredded cardboard. It would be better if I had soaked them in water pre-hand, but that's okay. And adding wood chips would be a great addition too. Bedding provides a home for worms to crawl into. It holds moisture, provides huge diversity of microbes, which I love, and is great fungal food. In fact, I plan to share microscope comparison videos with data so you can see the difference between the Vermicast and 7 other commercial ones. The worms love sweet scraps like watermelon, and I always balance such greens with equal volume of browns. And before putting the cover on, I also add a few vertical sticks, like 20-30 centimeters long, to keep the surface aerated so the fresh scraps I add never go anaerobic. Finally, I cover everything with a breathable wool or felt mat, which protects the system while still allowing airflow. I've used this bathtub setup even in snowy climates, bathtubs staying out in the forest throughout the cold winter, and the worms, as well as the microbes, stayed perfectly healthy. I've fed the worms in these 2 bathtubs, one being slightly bigger than the other, with 4 thermophilic composts, which makes roughly 100-120 buckets of material. So these tubs are capable of holding a lot of vermicast. And the vermicast that comes out of the system, biologically speaking, is something special to be used in applications.